Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you tips and tricks for efficiency on Google Sheet on your mobile phone. So whenever you are working with Google Sheet and you already work with a lot of documents here, it could be really hard to find a specific documents. So if you work like oftenly over a document or you create an important documents, I will suggest you to give a stars on those documents so that you can find those documents easily. So for example, if you work if this inventory book is quite important documents for you, so and you are not longer work with it anymore, so I suggest you to give a stars by go click these three small dots, and after that you just need to go click add to start. And how to find this, you just need to go into these three straight lines and go into the start, and those documents will be appear on this folder. So let's go back into our documents, all of the documents here. So let's find out the oldest documents here. So I already have the oldest documents, so this document is no longer I opened it anymore, so it could be like a little bit hard to find this document since I already work with a lot of files. So let's just add this into the start. So you just need to go click this three small dot and go click add to start, and if you need to access those documents, you just need to jump into the straight line and go click start, and you will find those documents here. So that's the way how one tips and tricks for efficiency on a Google Sheet. Hopefully it's really helpful for you. I would like to appreciate if you want to leave some comment and like this video.